In this video going to see how to prepare LED floor lights for car. This is going to be a two-part video. Preparation of the floor lights will be in first part. The next part will be installation of the floor lights. For preparing the floor lights we need wire cutter or stripping tool, some electrical tape. You can use heatsink tubes also to cover wire connections. Soldering iron, and I use some masking tape to mark wire terminals where they should go with the LED lights. For preparation we need approximately 8 meters of electrical wire. Wire length differs according to the size of the car cabin which we working with. A switch, and 4 LED lights. Do the measurements, according to the LED lights, where you need it in the car floor. I use 2 LED lights under dashboard and 2 LED lights under driver and front passenger side seat. According to the measurements I use soldering iron to connect the wires terminals with the LED lights, where I marked with masking tape for identifying the wire terminals where they should go. And I connected on off switch to the wire. Now all it's done. The LED floor light is ready for installation. The installation of floor lights will be uploaded in the channel. If you like the video, give a thumbs up, and if you not a subscriber, consider subscribing. For more videos,